Tired of the little things at home taking up way too much time and effort? Get ready to upgrade your space with clever Amazon home and kitchen gadgets that make everyday living feel effortless. From smarter storage to time-saving tools, these picks are all about comfort, convenience, and simplicity. Check the links in the description to grab yours. Looking to turn your living space into the ultimate relaxation zone? Tank recliners aren't just chairs. They're full comfort systems designed to support your body, soothe muscles, and make every sitting experience effortless. Unlike traditional recliners, they feature reinforced frames, high weight capacities, and advanced motorized adjustments that let you fine-tune backrest, footrest, and lumbar positions with ease. Some even include built-in mini fridges, massage, heat, and zero-gravity functions. Movie night just got a whole lot healthier and easier. This air popcorn maker pops kernels using hot air, so you get fluffy, oil-free popcorn every time. It comes with a measuring cup that doubles as a butter-melting tray, plus a recipe guide for tasty twists. The compact design fits on any countertop and stays steady with non-slip feet. In just minutes, you'll have theater-style popcorn ready to enjoy at home. Sore shoulders don't stand a chance with this red light therapy wrap. It combines heat, massage, and targeted red and near-infrared light to ease muscle tension and promote relaxation. 6 modes and 3 massage levels let you customize every session, while the built-in battery keeps it cordless and portable for home, office, or travel. The ergonomic design hugs your shoulder comfortably and stays in place. Adjustable straps and soft fabric make it easy to wear while you unwind. Need a versatile table that moves with you? This C-shaped end table slides easily under your couch or bed, saving space while keeping essentials close. The adjustable top lets you work, read, eat, or binge watch at 4 different angles. Built from sturdy rubber wood with a smooth finish, it's durable and stylish. 2 lockable 360-degree wheels make moving it effortless and secure. Quick to assemble, it's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or tight corners. Say goodbye to spills and wasted mouthwash with this automatic dispenser. It's rechargeable and reusable, making your routine eco-friendly and easy. 3 adjustable dispensing levels let you control the perfect amount for kids or adults. Wall-mounted and simple to use, a push of a button delivers mouthwash instantly. Sleek and modern, it looks great in any bathroom while keeping your oral care quick and convenient. Messy countertops don't stand a chance with this all-in-one paper towel holder. It comes with a built-in spray pump, so you can mist and wipe in one smooth motion. The tension arm lets you tear off just the right amount of paper without waste. Portable and easy to use, you can take it anywhere a mess appears. With a refillable reservoir, quick cleanups have never been this simple and efficient. Fresh herbs don't have to wilt after a day or two. This herb saver keeps cilantro, basil, parsley, and more fresh for up to 3 weeks. A clear lid lets you check your herbs at a glance, while built-in air grooves maintain just the right humidity. Easy to refill and made from BPA-free materials, it fits neatly in your fridge. Say goodbye to wasted herbs and enjoy fresh flavors anytime. Emergencies don't wait, and neither should your rescue tools. This handy bag keeps your choking rescue device within easy reach at all times. Designed to hold devices like LifeVac or Dechoker, it's perfect for homes, offices, schools, or clinics. Wall-mountable and visible, it ensures you can act fast when every second counts. Simple, practical, and peace of mind ready. Carrying heavy bags doesn't have to hurt your hands. These heavy-duty grips let you lift groceries, paint cans, propane tanks, or buckets with ease. Each grip can handle up to 100 pounds, so you can move multiple items in one trip. The ergonomic design keeps your hands comfortable and secure, while the durable build lasts for years. Compact and versatile, they make hauling anything from groceries to laundry far easier. Who says cleaning can't be fun? This ride-on car turns tidying up into an adventure. Kids can attach a mop and help with chores while zooming around indoors or outdoors. 5 adjustable speeds and soft start acceleration keep the ride smooth, and parents can control the pace for safety. It has a hidden storage compartment for toys or snacks, and even folds like a suitcase for easy transport. Built strong and spacious, it fits kids and adults for hours of fun. Tired of tearing up while chopping onions? These onion glasses keep your eyes safe and dry. The snug, skin-friendly fit stays comfortable even during long prep sessions. Impact-resistant lenses protect against flying bits and debris, while smooth surfaces wipe clean in seconds. They're perfect for kitchen use or even light dust protection at home. A clever, practical gift for anyone who loves cooking without the tears. Eyes feeling tired after a long day? This heated eye massager is your personal mini spa. Gentle heat and soothing pressure massage relax the muscles around your eyes and help reduce strain or migraines. It blocks out light so you can nap or sleep peacefully anywhere. Foldable and portable, it fits in your bag for travel or office use. Adjustable headbands make it comfortable for everyone, letting you unwind anytime, anywhere. Peeling, pitting, and slicing an avocado can be a mess unless you have the right tool. This all-in-one avocado slicer handles it all in one motion. The stainless steel pitter removes the pit with a quick twist, while the slicer lifts the fruit cleanly into 7 perfect pieces. Its soft, non-slip grip keeps you comfortable and in control. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Dishes piling up? This oversinked drying rack handles them all without taking over your counter. The silicone-coated steel keeps plates, pots, and even veggies from slipping while drying. Roll it out over your sink or fold it up when you're done. Easy to store and clean. Heat-resistant and sturdy, it can even hold hot pans. It's a space-saving, mess-free way to keep your kitchen organized. Breathe easier with this sleek, purifying fan. It cleans and circulates air across your whole room, so every corner gets fresh air. The HEPA filter traps dust, pollen, and allergens, keeping them locked inside. You can set it to oscillate or run on quiet night mode, and the remote stores neatly on the machine. It's simple, effective, and perfect for healthier indoor air every day. Ice cravings just met their match. This smart machine gives you soft, chewable nugget ice and fresh water in one sleek setup. Just place your cup under and it dispenses automatically. No scooping, no mess. You can control everything from your phone or even your voice, making it feel effortless. With self-cleaning and real-time water monitoring, you get clean, ready to enjoy ice whenever you want. Clogged drains are one of those problems you never want to deal with. These disposable drain stickers stop the mess before it even starts. The fine mesh catches hair and debris while letting water flow smoothly. Just stick one over your drain, and when it's full, peel it off and replace it in seconds. It stays in place, works in any sink or shower, and keeps cleanup simple. Corn on the cob just got way easier to deal with. This clever peeler strips kernels in seconds without the mess flying everywhere. The curved blade glides along the cob, so you get clean cuts without digging too deep. A built-in chute guides everything into a neat pile instead of your countertop. It's compact, safe to store, and makes prep feel quick and satisfying. Grabbing a hot bowl shouldn't feel like a risky move. These cozy holders let you take dishes straight out of the microwave without burning your hands. Just place your bowl inside and get a secure, comfortable grip every time. The soft, heat-resistant material keeps things safe while also protecting surfaces. They're reusable, easy to wash, and make everyday meals a lot more relaxed. Cables taking over your desk? This all-in-one charging station cleans it up in seconds. You get multiple ports and retractable cables, so you can power all your devices without the mess. Just pull what you need and it snaps back neatly when you're done. Fast charging gets your devices ready quickly, so you're not stuck waiting around. It's compact, safe, and perfect for keeping your setup clean and under control. Rock-hard ice cream doesn't stand a chance anymore. This heated scoop glides through frozen tubs like butter, so you don't have to wait or struggle. Just hold the handle and it warms up instantly, making every scoop smooth and easy. The built-in display shows temperature and battery, so you're always in control. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and perfect for anyone who just wants their dessert without the fight. Your sink just got a serious upgrade. This LED faucet turns everyday washing into a colorful, flowing experience you'll actually enjoy. The water changes color with temperature, so you instantly know if it's hot, warm, or cold. A pull-out sprayer and rotating head give you full control, making rinsing and cleaning way easier. With multiple water modes, you can switch from a gentle stream to a powerful spray in seconds. Fresh juice anywhere sounds like a dream, right? This portable blender makes it your daily routine. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and you've got smoothies, shakes, or juice in seconds. The large capacity means you can make enough for more than just one serving. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to clean, so you can enjoy healthy drinks wherever you go. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.